This is Tony Regis reporting from the Philippines. In an attempt to salvage what little is left of the population of their national animal, the Indian courts have ruled a total ban on tiger tourism. Despite the real efforts to protect the said endangered animals, poaching has still reduced the number of these tigers to a critically low number, a mere fraction of the total tiger census recorded a decade ago. The intention is there and only good, but this new rule affects the countless tiger parks surrounding conservation parks in many parts of India. This was not met with open arms. And tiger park owners are crying foul over the ruling, saying that the court is going after the wrong people and killing their livelihood. They say banning tourists is not the solution, but a better tighter grip of the teeth of the law on anti-poaching, a stronger tie with the tiger parks, a more comprehensive list of guidelines, a clearer plan and its implementation, and naturally, more funds to improve the conditions of the animals, not ban tiger tourism totally. The setbacks of doing this are numerous, and one of them is losing the cooperation of the displaced residents. See, the people who used to live around the parks had to be relocated to create enough buffer zone and distance between the tiger parks and the reservation area. Other than a relocation area, the residents, who were mostly poor, were assured of tourism jobs, ones that now are as critically endangered as the tigers themselves. Another is the loss of the added protection provided for by the tiger parks. These tourism facilities earn from the presence of the tigers, and thus only naturally they are to protect their source of income. Lack of presence will only encourage poachers, who they say are gaining access in the reserves by bribing the park rangers. The ruling is set to be reviewed sometime next month, to which the tourism entrepreneurs remain hopeful but anxious. Between banning the tourists and setting up better guidelines beneficial for the tigers and the tourism operators, the only other less than viable option would have to be this: curb China's appetite for medicines and aphrodisiacs made of tigers. Tony Regis, Philippines.